everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Desak Nyoman Wulandari from English Language Education Ganesha University with student number 1812021099. So, in this video, I will teaching about report tags. In this occasion, I use task-based instruction method in teaching report tags. As we know, task-based instruction is integrated teaching skill methods where teacher can integrate student language skills such as listening, reading, speaking, and writing. So in this video, I also provide some activity in order to meet the goal of teaching report text and also integrate student language skill. Without any further ado, let's get started. Hello students, good morning. How are you today? I hope you're in a good condition now. So in this occasion, Miss Desak will be teaching you about report text. Have you ever heard about report text? Reading a report text? Or maybe making a report text? If you know, it's good. But if you don't know, it's okay. Because in this video, Miss Desak will be teaching you about report text after this. So students, what do you think about report text? What is report text is? So, to answer this question, let we identify one of the report texts. I already provide the example of a report text. Let's we read together and figure out what is report text based on the text that we read. So, let's we read together.
Handphone is one of the many technologies in this globalization era. Handphone has function to communicate someone far away without face-to-face. Now, handphone can be owned by everyone because everyone can buy it and use it. Handphone handled by children until adult in the modern life. Not only to communicate, handphone or smartphone has other function. The other function of handphone is to entertainment such as play games, play music, and capturing. Handphones give information in the website. The negative impact from handphone, that is addiction. For example, is addicted to play games and watch video until forgetting time. Then, as handphone user, should be able to use them wisely.
Okay student, after you read the example of report text, what do you think about report text is? Can you give your opinions? Yeah, that's good. Report text is text that giving information. But you need to remember that report text is the text that describes something in general. It can about this, or about this. That means what is the difference between report text and descriptive text? Okay, student. It's that true that report text and descriptive text has the same structures. We almost hard to differentiate between report text and descriptive text. But now I will explain to you. So, student, report text is the text that used to describe something in general, and it provides a facts. Meanwhile, descriptive text is the text to describe something in specific, and it includes writers' opinions. So, keep in your mind, student. So we can conclude that report text is the text that used to describe something in general. Okay, student. So you should know about the function of the report text. The social function of the report text is generally describe the way things are or seem to be. It can be of plants or animals, social phenomena, and etc. And keep in your minds today that it is in general. Okay, student, now we will move to the general structures of report text. Do you know what is the general structures of report text? Can you tell me? Okay, in a report text, there are two general structures. The first one is classification and the second one is description. And the classification is stating classification general aspects that will be discussed. And it consists of 1 until 2 sentences. And in the description, it tells about the phenomena under the aspect discussion. It can in terms of part, ability, behaviors, and etc. So, do you understand? Good! Let's move to the next material. Okay, students, now we will talk about the language features of report text. Report text first using simple present tense. And second one, report text using a passive voice. You might find many sentences of passive voice when you read a report text. And the last one is report text talks about facts. So I hope you understand about the language features of report text and you can differentiate between report text and descriptive text by looking for the language features that use. Okay student, now I will give you one of the texts. Here's. What do you think about this text? It is a report text or a descriptive text. Can you give your answer? Yeah, that's good. It is a descriptive text. Why it can call a descriptive text? Can you give your answer? Once again, it's good because there are writer's opinion here, right? So, you are a very intelligent student. You can differentiate between report text and the descriptive text. Now, I will give you one example of report text to make sure that we more understand about report text. Here's the text.
So here is the example of report text. In this report text is described about kangaroo. The first sentence is called classification, where is discussed about general topic. It is a kangaroo. And the second sentence until the last sentence is called description. Here describe the generals about kangaroo to support the first sentence.
So, it's clear for you, student? Now, to assess your understandings, I have 3 questions for you. It's related to our materials today. The first question is, what is the text report? I give you 5 seconds to answer my question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is your answer? Yeah, that's good. Report text is text that describes something in general. Let's move to second question. Okay, the second question is, what is the generic structures of report text? I'm waiting. Okay, what is your answer? Wow, that's very complete. The generic structures of report text is divided into 2. The first one is classification and the second one is description. Okay, the last question. What is the difference between report text and descriptive text? Are we waiting? Yeah, that's good! The differentiate is the report text is describes something in general and it talks about fact, but the descriptive text is describes something in specific and there are the writer's opinion on it. I'm sure you are understand. You are a good student. You can answer my question. So, it means that you listen to my explanation. Thank you, student. Okay, student, until now, I already explained about the definition of report text, the generic structures of report text, the language features of report text, and give you some example of report text. Now, take a look to these tags. I provide you one pictures. This is 11 pictures. Can you make a simple sentence in general about the 11s? I will give you a time. I'm waiting. Okay, what is your answer? Okay, that's good. The first sentence is an elephant is the largest and the strongest animal. What about the others? Can you make a sentence? Simple sentence about elephants? Yeah, excellent. Elephant is very intelligent animal. That was amazing, student. You make a perfect sentence. Okay, student, because you already learned about how to make a sentence that describes something in general, let's we move to the other tags. There are 10 numbers here. I want you to choose one numbers, start from 1 until 10. And student, behind each number, there will be object that we will discuss today. Here's the object. So student, I want you to make a report text based on the object that you get. After you making a report text, I want you to present your report text in the front of your friend. So it will be assess your writing skill in form of writing report text and also assess your speaking skill when you deliver the report text in front of your friends. Is that clear, student? Okay, good. Okay, students, I think that's all for today. Thank you for your kind attention and apologize me if I'm wrong. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you everyone. Bye bye.